Admit that you were nervous while watching. Would you want to be on one of those boats when this moment happened?
We better get out of here.
It is fortunate that the road was empty at the time of such a catastrophe.
Oh, man! Man!
When nature decides to take back what is its own, sometimes you can't stop it. It's like it was never there, isn't it? Hail is the last thing a car owner wants because it damages the car, the owner's purse, and it is not possible to escape in traffic. If you are an adrenaline junkie, you can enjoy watching such a big hurricane up close instead of running away like other people. If you notice any signs of collapse, move away immediately. Otherwise, it could be seconds before you are buried under such a pile of stones. If you see such a big landslide from this angle, you are in real danger. I suggest you run away. You can escape a flood disaster by timing it right, or being in the right place at the right time. But if you are on a ship in the middle of the ocean and caught in a storm, you have no choice but to face the power of the water. Check out this crazy footage from the 2011 eruption of the Wildfires volcano. Although it was filmed from quite a distance, the ash cloud looked huge. It was so violent that it caused railroad lines to close and many flights to be canceled. It's like a perfect thriller for car owners. Of course, if you are in this boat, your car may be the last thing you think about in these conditions. Some accidents are naturally occurring, like this one in Turin. Two boats caught in a strong current seem to have had their share of it. It's lucky that they were empty.
È andata via questa.
Hubo gente que salió despedida con los coches.
ちょっと止まりますね。危ないですね、これ。危ねえな、これ。あらららららららららら。嘘。あららら。
It is normal to feel very light when the wind lifts such a heavy car off the ground like paper. You don't want to walk in a storm like this, but if you have to do it, you will need a rope like this to get your bearings because you won't be able to open your eyes. An escape like a movie scene. Fortunately, they were unharmed. In 2011, the city of Genoa suffered a major disaster. The city was almost flooded as a result of prolonged rain. Material damage amounted to over $1 billion.
Guarda qui qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
Аккуратней! Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней!
Still there, and yeah.
Wyoming sees an average of 12 storms each year, and tornado season usually peaks in June. This is how a storm chaser captured impressive footage of a tornado forming in open countryside.
This was going to happen.
My mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back."
Well, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
Yep.
I know. This is awesome.
Dad.
I know. I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in fucking front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close, though, we can go
Yeah.
back.
Lightning is one of those frightening natural phenomena that are rarely caught on camera. Everybody wants to have that house with that beautiful view, but nobody wants to be in it when the crazy waters swallow it.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my.
Judging by the voices of the citizens watching this flood disaster in France, they seem to be satisfied with their situation. But we can't say the same about the car owners. This bridge in Malia, India, is struggling to survive against nature. Nature, as always, is the winner of this battle, which attracts a lot of attention from people.
This is our house. Please save us before we float away.
The most problematic part of winter is definitely the heavy precipitation. Combined with the bitter cold, this precipitation makes your daily life as difficult as possible. In 2018, that's exactly what happened in Boston.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
If it is hailing outside, your home is really a safe zone. But there are exceptions, like what happened in 2017 at a home in Denver during a hailstorm. This is an airport in Russia. In 2024, the material damage caused by this hurricane is estimated at about $2.5 million.
Твою. Ужас.
It's more frightening up close. Driving a car is a job that requires attention. But if there is fog, you have to pay extra attention. This accident in New Orleans, which damaged more than 40 vehicles, proves that driving in fog requires a lot of attention. Would you like to be in these drivers' shoes? The devastating effect of the hail is unbelievable. This is definitely not a scene from a horror movie. Sometimes it is good to be a safe distance from the sea. In 2014, nature seemed to wage war on Brisbane, Australia. Living in this moment seems truly terrifying. Some moments show us that nature is always stronger than man-made structures. The moment when this dam succumbed to the waters is like proof of that.
Get out, Paul, get out. What do we do? Look. Get back along the trail.
My heart is...
My heart, what the hell do you do?
Jesus. Did you see everyone running? Is everyone okay?
I hope so. Looks like it did get the edge of the camera. It's still coming in.
Jesus.
My heart is pounding. Absolutely pounding.
This flood was caused by overflowing rivers as a result of heavy rains. In 2023, many houses were destroyed in this disaster in India. California was hit by a tsunami after an earthquake off the coast of Japan. The damage caused by the tsunami in this harbor is about $26 million.
That's gonna come whacking right back up here if it gets under.
In 2018, a volcanic eruption in Hawaii produced these images. You may think it is moving slowly, but there is not much you can do in such a situation. Hurricane Dolores in 2016 was Uruguay's most destructive hurricane in history.
Dude. Wow. This is actually dope. Oh.
These are definitely not the work of an ice artist. The water coming from the lake with the wind has turned into thick layers of ice with the effect of cold weather.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being like, this is unbelievable.
In Detroit, strong winds caused water pipes to burst, and cars left on the street were completely covered in ice. There seems to be no choice but to wait for the sun to save the cars.
She's thankful for the city.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, a cold weather crew showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly, as Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn.
Incredibile. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.